Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from where you're watching this video. My name is Nikolai Popov. I'm a senior fast-track solution architect, and today we are going to discuss about cloud for FSI data model. Here is the agenda for today's call. We will speak about the cloud for FSI data model overview. We will discuss architecture, components and dependencies. We will talk about the different models like financial services, retail banking, and loan onboarding data models. Also, we will provide you few links to the loan portals and contact information. Microsoft is making it easier for partners and customers to create new use cases and workflows without redefining the financial services data architecture. The Cloud for FSI data model makes Microsoft Dynamics 365 implementations for financial services customer easier and more secure. This TikTok helps you to understand the FSI data model. Approximate time 30 minutes. We looking forward to see on this TikTok solution architects, functional and technical consultants, and Cloud for FSI implementation teams from the customer and partner. Let's discuss about the Cloud for FSI data model overview. In this slide, you can find the retail banking overview. Microsoft Cloud for Financial Services will embrace a building block strategy. A dedicated banking data model will introduce new dimensions to capture financial information, groups and relationships, live events, and more. Built upon the existing Power Platform or Dynamics 365, Azure and Microsoft 365 stack to benefit from a wide range of existing technologies and platforms. The component layer includes functional capabilities like AI models, controls, and collaboration tools purpose-built to power key banking scenarios. These are made available through the new solutions like Unified Customer Profile, Banking Customer Engagement, Customer Onboarding, and the FSI Collaboration Manager. Now let's take a closer look at the capabilities around the value chain. First, we have Unified Customer Profile. With this capability, your employees have a comprehensive view of the customer, which helps them tailor customer experiences. Next, we have Customer Onboarding. Customer Onboarding provides customers with easy access loan applications and self-service tools, streamlining the loan processes to help enhance customer experience and loyalty. Next one is Collaboration Manager. Collaboration Manager is another key capability. It enables automation, collaboration, and communication to help accelerate leading processes, minimize errors, and enhance customer experience. Finally, we have Banking Customer Engagement, which helps personalize customer interactions with relevant financial information to accelerate time to resolution. At the same time, building blocks will power partner solutions to extend our out-of-the-box offering further. This partner enhancement can show up all through the stack. Our industry data model uses interoperability and unifies data to help accelerate insights and business workflows. So what does this offer? Industry specificity. Leverage a common data model with financial services specific semantics. Interoperability. The data model ingests, enriches, and unifies data to break down data silos and easy interoperability through industry-specific pre-built connectors. Faster innovation. Extend the value of the platform with additional solutions, analytics, and predictions. At right, you can see retail banking elements that are part of our industry data model, such as customer schema, branch schema, and loan application schema. Within each of these schemas are defined entities, So for example, within loan application schema, there are loan details, assets, liabilities, credit check, and more. In this way, our data model is tailored to your needs. So let's speak in the details about the cloud for financial services industry data model. The cloud for FSI data model contains two options to get it. First one is standalone option for partners and Microsoft Dataverse customers. And the second option, the cloud for FSI data model, is already included in all of the Microsoft Cloud for financial services solutions. In order to get a standalone options, here is the few prerequisites that you have to done before. You must be Microsoft Power Platform admin or tenant admin to deploy the retail banking data model. You must have a license for Dataverse. And also, please check the compliance. Ensure you use services that match your requirements. So, the step number one, prepare your environment. If you don't have a Dataverse environment with a database, you will need to create one. You can create a Dataverse environment while deploying a financial services solution as well. However, we recommend that you create the Dataverse environment before installing a solution so you can install the prerequisite Dynamics 365 applications and solutions. Step number two, deploy the data model. To deploy the retail banking data model, use the Microsoft Cloud Solution Center. And step number three, you can start build your own applications or solutions. Also, you can apply for trial version using these links. Within Cloud for FSI, we have a few different model layers. Financial Services Common Data Model, which contains few key entities: contact, bank, branch, group and group members, application and custom documents. Another model layer is Retail Banking Common Data Model, which contains key entities like financial holdings, financial holding instruments, customer financial holdings, life events, and group financial holdings. And the third one, model layer, is Loan Onboarding Data Model, which contains the next key entities: loan application contact, collateral, credit check, employment, and KYC. We will discuss in the detail in the next few slides of each of these data model layers and their key entities. The FSI data model is open for the customization, so customers and partners can extend their data models as per their needs. Please follow the standard process to add fields to tables within solutions. Create your own solution and add needed tables, and then extend them by editing customization or fields. We are looking for the feedbacks on any desired changes because it's critical to enable future model compatibility. Please reach out to our fast track team regarding any changes. Also, please take attention when making changes to choices, because some of the values, for example, in life events, are used for insights such as the banking churn prediction. Even the data model is open for the customization, some limitations still exist. A number of lookups have been modeled as polymorphic relationships, so recommendation is to refrain from extending polymorphic relationships beyond their intended use. Second one is FSI accelerator is deprecated. If you have been using the preview within FSI data model, it is not upgradable to the general availability. You have to recreate your environment. and some of the entities and fields are still locked. You will see more information about this in the appendix existing to this presentation. So let's take a closer look on the financial services common data model. Financial services common data model includes the key entities like account, application document, bank, branch, contact, custom document, group, and group member. In the financial services common data model layer, everything is around the contact. As you can see in this schema, contact is connected to the group member, branch, and the main functionality here is the customer 360 view information. It's a centralized customer data in a single place via the Microsoft Dataverse and the industry data model. It's leverage 500 plus built-in connectors to bring in your customer relevant data and information. And of course, the document management is also the main piece here. The next layer is retail banking common data model. Retail banking common data model contains the next key entities like account, bank, branch, contact, customer financial holdings account, financial holding credit line, financial holding investment, loan, saving, financial holdings, and financial holdings instruments. The next set of entities for retail banking data model entities are financial instrument cards, financial instrument direct debit, financial instrument overdraft, standing order, group financial holdings, group member, life moment, and relationship. In this slide, you can see all these entities that we just mentioned on the schema. By unifying customer data, this capability offers powerful customer insights. These include financial holdings and financial instruments. Financial holdings empower bank agents to quickly understand wallet share, total assets and liabilities, and key flags related to holdings to surface opportunities and deepen relationships. Financial instruments, financial tools associated with financial holdings, a monetary contract between parties which has intrinsic monetary value or transfers value, provides an efficient flow and transfers of capital. Financial instruments are assets that can be traded, or they can also be seen as packages of capital that may be traded. Customer 360 view information comes in the picture here, because it centralizes your customer data in a single place via the Microsoft Dataverse and the industry data model. It also includes the whole financial holding instruments picture that customer has. Another powerful customer insights is live events. Live events contains different entities, which is live event category config, category types relations, live event type configs, and live event which is connected to the contact. By live event we understand different events which can happen for the contact, like birthday, anniversary, and another different domain dates. Live events offer a glance view of the live milestones to help identify financial opportunities, create personalized offers, and deliver consistent engagement experience across bank agents. By unifying customer data, we can utilize the next powerful customer insights, which is connections. Connections help bank agents understand the impact and influence of their customers, the potential financial strengths of the customer, based on their groups and relationships. For example, familial connections and business connections. It also enhances relationship manager productivity. Help drive better customer outcomes with insights drawn from unified customer information. Leverage a purpose-built banking churn model to help understand churn risks at a glance. Leverage our existing banking segments and bring in your own rules and definitions. Offer the most accurate and important customer information to your relationship managers for an unparalleled customer experience. And also, bank information, an institution that provides a great variety of financial services, contains information about location and related branches. Also, it could contain open hours information and has connection to the contact which receives services from that specific branch. The high-level reference architecture for retail banking includes different Microsoft products, capability components, and bank environment. The core here is the bank environment, which is connected to the core Microsoft products based on the Dataverse or Power Apps, and also connected to the Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, which include different capabilities. Banking customer intelligence for the segmentation, models, and different financial services measures. Power Apps, which include unified customer profile applications and specifically built for the core related retail banking controls. Customer snapshot, connections, live events, and financial holdings. And everything is on the Dataverse. Financial services CI entities, industry data model, and common data model. Now let's speak about the different extensibility and known limitations on the retail banking data model. So the main extensibility features are custom group types and relationship types can be extended. Charm model can be configured with financial holdings and other items as an optional. Retail banking features provides its own currency exchange processes, and it's not leverage the currency feature in the platform. Live event can be added through the configuration table. And about the known limitations, unified customer profile currently supports capturing of individuals only. There are still few places for account, but not small and medium businesses are supported as of now. Connectors to any internal bank systems are not available at this moment. There is no relationship between customers, financial holdings and branch, but knowing this will be important to know which product services that the customer has with which branch. So you would need to recreate this relationship. It's your own implementation. The next layer in the data model is loan onboarding layer. The loan onboarding data model contains the next key entities: application document, bank, contact, credit check, employment, know your customers, loan application assets, and etc. In this slide, you can see all those entities placed in the schema. Here as you can see all relationships between different entities in this loan onboarding data model. Microsoft Cloud for FSI customer onboarding capabilities provide customers with easy access loan applications and self-service tools to help streamline the loan processes and enhance customer experience and loyalty while increasing organizational and employee productivity. Loan process management includes different aspects. manage loan application and approvals easily with central access to application data, manage, view, track, and confirm documents shared by applicants, access all interactions like email, phone, tasks, meetings related to applications, understand quickly the current status of an application and its next steps with Power Apps business process flows. And also, we provide accelerated extensions and adoptions. Customer can extend loan application tracker to fit your requirements using low and pro code tools. Loan onboarding reference architecture includes key Microsoft products, capability components, and bank environment. The core here is the bank environment, which is connected to the Microsoft product through the Dataverse, Power Automate, and Power Apps. And the main capability components here is loan tracker application, customer onboarding controls, which include application snapshot, loan parties details verification, financial strength snapshot, loan application document management. Please note that customer onboarding includes an optional sample portal powered by Power Portal to showcase how customers can interact with the system. The customer onboarding has its own extensibility and known limitations for those functionalities. The main extensibility is business process flow can be extended per customer or partner needs and can be easily configured. The storage for loan documents as of now in Dataverse, but we are looking into other storage options for future releases. The decision of which document is related to which type of loan is done by different workflow and associated actions. So it also can be configured to set the relevant documents options. And as I mentioned on the previous slides, optional sample portal powered by Power Portal is included, so you can utilize it and customize it for your needs. And about the limitation, you might also want to have the employer name as a lookup, which is a text string right now. So you can easily make those changes. Here are a few links that will help you to understand more and learn more about financial services solutions. All this learning content and more available in Microsoft Learn Portal. And our customers and partners can create a trial for FSI Cloud instance to experience the cloud capabilities. Please take a look on the Cloud for FSI appendix related to this presentation and additional materials. Even though the data model is opened to make changes, there are still few limitations, like locked entities and fields that cannot be modified. In this slide, you can see locked entities, category types relations, churn level configuration, live event category configuration, live event configuration, live event type configuration. In the next couple of slides, you can see the locked fields and their related entities. As an example, financial holding accounts contain attribute called accounting classification, which is locked for the modification. In these slides is a continue to the locked fields. As an example, financial instruments cards contain attribute card type, which is also locked for the modification. And the last slide for the locked fields contain entities: loan application contact. The next chapter of appendix is option sets and global choices for the entire data model. You can take a look on those attributes and make a decision what you want to use as out of the box and what you want to use and make changes. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day. Goodbye.